Oh, look. These were...
What happened to your eye, darling?
The mud split me eye.
Here in this bit, darling.
Okay.
Do you know what sticks? Look at that. I'm making a fence. I'm making a fence. You just so
Careful with the children.
It's my dad.
Daddy and his machete.
Let's squish down these
We
sticks.
want to go to town after this.
Sure.
What's that?
Where'd it go?
Yeah. It is a cockroach.
Oh, lovely.
One
Sure?
Yeah.
How will she grab things with one hand?
Hazel, it's okay.
Oh! Oh! That's like... I think you're doing that like a boomerang.
Really?
Yep.
Is it because the machete curves a bit?
Daddy, boomerang.
Right.
Look at this. Theo. It's Daddy. Theo,
Back up.
why will he cut my arm off?
He won't cut your arm off. Because if you get close, you'll have an accident.
How will I grab things with one arm?
You won't.
And the bag. And
Got to add, before we came, I'm just talking on the camera. Before we came to the land, we went on Nain as well. And it was my first. No, we've been through there before, but this time we actually stopped and got ours through. And the shops are really nicely presented. They look quite modern, don't they? They're, and painted nicely. It's Nain and Junction are really like two lovely, lovely, lovely areas. Watch a movie and have some snacks.
It's just like in our front
Yeah,
room. And as long as you got water,
yeah.
like, we're quite low.
We're not fully exposed to the hot sun. Where's the cockroach? Oh yeah, there it goes.
Where is it?
Over there, going to the grass. It's gone into the grass.
Yeah, well, there won't be any here by the time we finish. In a few days.
one.
What did you see, Hayes?
A cockroach.
Cockroach.
Yeah. It was massive. It was large. It was so massive.
Grass up.
I'm just pushing it. Dad, come on!
Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Ow!
Go, Daddy.
Yeah.
Go, Daddy. Baby.
And can you see me? Can you see what I'm doing?
You, but yeah, I can see what you're doing.
Why is that?
So like right now, it's just is it working?
No,
What do you think might have happened to it?
I think it went out of battery.
Possibly, yeah. It needs recharging again. Look at Daddy working hard. Oh, you clapping, Melly? Is Daddy working hard?
Lego! Lego!
Yeah, I do.
He's offered to burn the bush for us. We need to find out the rules on the burning.
So, and then just carry on working. Just was like, just went, you know, just had to say, and negotiate a day rate or a price job on the burn. Because to be honest with you, the realism of the situation is that's going to take me about 2 weeks to do it solo. So I'm quite, if he wants to do it and I don't have to worry about it, and pay the bloke whatever 18,000, which is like 80 quid, 85 quid or something, and it
Might be worth it.
Probably is worth it, even though we're trying to save every little penny. We can't really start, but we have got time. That's why I was just gonna, the only thing is you have to get down here early. This is what I was saying, you have to get down here early. And
with 3 children and
anyway,
we're living quite a bit away, it's not,
we set it up,
it is possible, but yeah.
Coming in.
Yeah, we've done a fair.
Right, do you want to wait here? I'm going to try and bring the car down.
Are you all right then?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
Go for it.
Well done.
Look, we set the base camp up, haven't we?
Yeah, exactly. Well done.
Boom! Boom! Get your worms here!
Oh God.
Oh, get.
Got the camera the right way? Yeah, I have. Stay under here. Here he comes. It's our first drive down onto our land.
Yeah.
Or maybe not. Maybe not. I think he's coming in at a different angle.
I'm coming in a different angle, Dad.
It seemed a bit like it might be quite a steep drop, but at the same time, probably not, because you've gone up steeper hills.
It felt like it banked.
Well, as in the ground was, the bottom was touching the...
Yeah.
If it did, then don't risk it.
It did, it banked.
Then don't risk it.
From here to the front,
Yeah.
this part here is banking the car.
Alright, then don't risk it.
You can't.
Yeah.
I could with a 4x4, but I can't without one.
Yeah.
Just felt it like a...
Yeah.
I was like, nope. And you get in the wheels, and when I tried to reverse, they
Yeah.
didn't have full contact with the ground.
Oh, okay.
Like the weight weren't on it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like the weight was
Yeah. So, yeah.
This is a no-go. Because what I wanted to do was bring the car down here and have the boot here.
Fair enough. Guys, can you help us pack up?
We're knifing.
Hmm?
I'm knifing out.
You're knifing.
Not knifing. Yes.
Where's the bag?
You're knifing, Hazy.
Yeah, look. With my head here.
Show me.
With this.
You seen what you got her into, Daddy?
What's that?
She said she's knifing with her shetty. And she's got a pointy stick. We're on the land again. So a new addition to our setup is a fan. A fan to keep us cool when the heat is striking us.
Just dropped a stone on me. What?
Where'd the stone come from?
It's a piece of Play-Doh.
All right.
Covered in mud now, so that's...
Bye-bye Play-Doh.
Oh, what are you going to do? Like play with a lump of muddy Play-Doh? Who brought that Play-Doh?
It must have come in the bag and Theo must have just whipped it out just then.
Ah, I see.
Never mind.
Yep.
So it go.
That's not muddy Play-Doh.
No one knows.
I made brown Play-Doh.
Play-Doh!
I made brown
Excuse.
Play-Doh.
Whee!
I made brown Play-Doh. Where's the rest of my car?
Well, I think Hazel only brought a selection of things.
I bought cars and I bought lots of cars. I bought a sweater of things. I bought a sweater and of toys.
You did, just to keep you happy and entertained, didn't you?
Yeah. I was packing up There are my teddies.
Yeah, you did a good job, Hazy.
No.
Very good job.
Where are you?
Where are what, darling?
I messed up my car.
I think that Hazel only brought a few things, Theo. If you wanted to bring your cars, what should you have done?
So I bring all of them in the row. I bring all of them in a row, Theo. They're in.
Alright. What are you going to do, Hazy, while we're on the land?
Play with my toys.
Okay. Theo, what are you going to do while we're on the land?
Play with my toys.
Oh, okay. What are you doing at the moment?
We're playing. My cars belong on that because they can make tyre tracks.
Okay. You got some food by your mouth, Theo. You got some bulla cake by your mouth, the pineapple bulla. Wipe your mouth.
Cheese. Have I got bulla on my mouth?
No, you're clean. What are you going to do today, Daddy? What are your plans while we're on the land?
No idea.
Okay.
No, I'm gonna build this fire. I'm gonna start off just doing the fire, and whatever we get, it might take 3 days, might take a week. You know, at the moment we've got the time, so we're just gonna chip away at it, and then once that's done, so the surveyor's got the surveyor's done all the report. So now it's just a matter of waiting for the architects to.
Help me pull. 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 Help me pull.
Hazel, just can you?
Wait a minute, Hazel. It's not. Oops, mind the chair, Thea. Don't knock everything over.
How harder. It's working.
Oh, good job, guys. Good job.
Hi. Yes. Keep going, Theo.
Oi, can you please have no mud near this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yay, we have breeze.
Yeah, do you understand?
Yep.
Well done. Yay! Yay! Well done, Daddy. Good job. Today, mine and Melly's job, we are gonna try, when it's a bit more shady, to gather up some stones and rocks into a pile, because Tobes wants to use them to build a natural wall. So
Yeah, well, not there. We ain't gonna have enough rocks for that.
right, well, we'll gather up what we can.
Yeah,
Okay.
just gather whatever you can. Yeah, you do whatever you can. Sorry.
How will we get back?
So
Yeah,
listen.
no way near this over here.
Everyone stays out this corner, because if you go near the fan, you will get caught in it, okay? And you'll be really hurt. So no one goes near the fan. Understood?
Yeah.
Understood, Theo?
Yeah.
All right, good boy, good girl.
Is that okay? The fan like that?
Yeah, that's good. That's cool.
Working.
Yeah. Nice setup. Simple but nice setup.
Where's number
Yeah, that
68?
fan's good, man.
I didn't.
That is Melody. She said, Dad, keep going. You're doing a good job. I think that's what she said. You're right.
Yeah. Where's the shit?
Put it over there. I've moved the petrol back there as well, because Hazel, yeah.
Put it in the shade, darling.
Oh, sorry. Thankfully there's no rain, is there? This will be fire number 1. Woo-woo! First step to burning some of the bush. So as you can see, it's quite a big pile, so doing it in little sections is obviously gonna take a while, but
It's gonna take about a week.
doesn't matter. We'll get there. We'll get there. Well done, darling.
My head's hot.
Yeah, I'm just sweating and like I'm not even moving around. Oh, it is for me. I'm sweating. Like...
I mean, I'm not finding it that bad.
Yeah. As I said, I was gonna gather some stones and pick some rocks out, but I've got Melody on my chest and I'm sweating. I've not picked one stone up yet. I mean, again, it's lovely. It's like really lovely weather, but yeah, I've not picked up one stone and I'm already sweating loads. Okay, Hazy. Way! Yay, Melly. Are you right, Titi? No, Thee, come on. You're right, Thee.
I'm about to swing now.
Okay.
I swing so I'm a
Yay, Melly. Okay, Hazy. You're like a koala. Daddy calls you a koala, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like a koala on that. Aren't you? You're a koala holding on.
Mum.
Yeah.
Monkey's holding.
A koala's better though, isn't it? Koalas are cute, just like you. Alright, let's go get a few rocky them. Get some rocks.
Melly's head.
Oh, Melly.
Chill out, man. Don't worry about it, honestly. Darling. It's too hot for a baby. If you're going to do it, we need to get here from like 6.
Yes, it is hot. Just careful, Hazel.
Dad, did you get one flower food?
Can you go back in the shade, darling?
Oi!
Go back in the shade. It's too hot here.
Can we just do some raking?
What?
Right.
Don't do anything with the baby, just chill in the shade. I promise you. I know it's annoying, but this is why we need to get here in the morning. We can't do anything now, it's too hot. We literally can't do anything, it's 11 o'clock, it's too hot.
Don't mess up the umbrella, guys.
I don't know why you're laughing, like the blokes won't do it, they won't work.
I'm not laughing, I didn't laugh
No.
at all.
So you can't work.
Pass me that, because we don't want it broken.
What is broken? The cars?
No, the umbrella. Thea had the umbrella and I didn't want it to break.
Where's the water?
It's there.
Can I have
Can you
something?
pass Daddy the water? That's down there.
It's alright.
That water.
Come here.
I'll drink this water.
Drink your waters up, guys. Stay hydrated.
I will.
Good girl. One of our subscribers says you must drink enough water and stay hydrated. Okay?
Is that Nicky?
Yeah.
Is that Nicky?
Blippy says that too.
Yeah, he does. Nicky is somebody else.
I know.
That's a good piece. So there's some guys working just across the road and a bit up, and Toby just had a little chat with them, and it turns out they're from London, so not far from where we were. and they're clearing their land also. So yeah, you had a good chat with them, didn't you, Tobes?
Yeah, the geezer's well sound.
Yeah, so that's cool. So we've got someone in the same areas as us doing the same thing as us. So yeah. What do you say? Big guy, Toby said. Big guy?
He's a big guy, you know, he's like...
Yeah, tall guy, big guy. So yeah, that's cool. See, leave that please, darling. Just leave it. Ooh. But yeah, Toby's doing well, bless him. Look at him. Honestly, he's so amazing. Isn't Daddy wonderful, guys? Yeah. He's working hard, bless him. But yeah, that bonfire is getting bigger.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not.
So what I'm going to do is just clear all the junk and the debris off, put it into a few little piles over here. So all I'm going to do today. Come on. So what we're going to do is, I'm
Bushman Tobes.
I'm going to Bushman Tobes, going to pull all these little scraggly pieces off. I'm just going to chop them up, like cut back what I can, all this scraggly nonsense, you know what I mean? So it's a nice, neat pile. So when it burns, you know, it's more compact. Once I've got rid of all the little doodads and nit bits and all the little pieces that you see here scraggling around, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and burst my way through like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and basically split it into two piles, yeah? Realistically, I'm going to split it into two piles. Two.
Oh,
one here,
they got it.
and one there, and then we'll burn them. So that is my strategy of what I'm gonna do.
What do you think of the strategy?
So
Take some little straggly bits off, make miniature bonfires.
Here's some realism.
And then the last bit.
Here you go. Here's some realism.
Go on.
We've been here an hour and 20 minutes, an hour and a half, and that's what I've done so far. So
and then that's the main pile.
we're in it for a long, but it looks like stupidness. This is what I'm saying. So we're clearing up the edges, and then once the edges are clear, then I'm going to break through the middle and burn it into two piles. You see, the main piles aren't moving anywhere. We're just neating them up.
Cool. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good.
Yeah. So what you'll see is this side become neater, and then it will just be one pile, and we might even just like that one neat pile. You know what I'm saying? If we get early. Here early enough. So
Cool.
it looks like nothing's happening. It looks like I'm just doddering around, doing crap all, but the reality is, it's all.
Why did it fall over?
Theo's here struggling with the chair. Theo, just sit on the chair, darling.
Then it won't fall over.
Then it won't fall over. And if you don't faff with the chair, don't put dirty things on the chair either, because then the chairs get dirty when we sit on them. And we'll all end up with a dirty bottom. No one wants that.
Well, Hazel might.
No!
What?
Where's my car? No! I've lost my car.
For no reason.
Oh, Daddy.
Where's the other car?
Theo, if you brought a car, you need to look after it. If you bring things here, you need to look after them and don't lose them. You understand? So maybe you should look for the car. If you know you brought it along, you need to look for it. Okay. Again, if you can think of a better way or an easier way to burn all of this, feel free to let us know.
Yeah, or just if you want to comment just to laugh at me, that's fine as well. They're going to be like, he's going to be here till 2020, 2030 doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like that, we won't be. There'll be a tipping point. We're grafting.
Alright, go on then, guys. Get some loose stones. Alright, pop it on the pile. Pop it on the pile. Well done.
Here's a loose stone.
Well done.
Here's a loose stone.
Just don't, make sure you're careful of each other, okay? No, Hazel, that's not being careful of Theo. Pop it down.
I saw a nasty creature.
Alright, go find some stones, Hazel. Don't worry about nasty creatures. Theo, I don't want shells. You can go elsewhere as long as you're not near Daddy's machete. Here's some loose stones here. There's 2 here.
Daddy, I saw a nasty creature.
Daddy's too busy to worry about nasty creatures. Here's another big one, Hazy. There.
Here.
Yeah. Don't throw them because they're big. And if they hit someone, we could hurt someone. Come, Thea, there's some more here.
Yeah.
Where?
There's some here. Bloody hell, Theodore.
Here.
Yeah. Don't climb over the stones because they are wobbly, like Hazel said. Go on, Daddy. Just careful.
Mommy, I found big stones.
Yay.
How was I?
Watch out, Haze. Good girl. Keep coming.
Very big stones.
Well done. Pop them on there. Good work.
And this one. Here.
Good work, Dad.
I put
Wasn't nothing to it. I just realised that one's loose.
Mm.
But that's just literally what we're going to do. You pick away the bits you can get out.
Yeah.
And you'll see eventually. You'll be like, hang on a minute, it's all gone.
Way.
Can you find it? Please. Please, please, please.
Theo, I've not seen your car, darling. Ready?
Mummy!
Yes.
Look, you just got me here.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Subscribe.
Say subscribe.
I think you might have got part of it.
Subscribe.
Well done, Hazy. Oh, Fifi, you found some big ones. Carry them in your hands, darling.
That's alright, it's doing good.
Good boy. And then go pop them down. Those are some good ones.
Yeah.
Well done, T. All right, now turn round. Can you tell people, please subscribe to our channel?
Please subscribe to our channel.
Aww.
Says me, the big man TT.
The big TT.
Well
I'm a
done.
big girl.
Ooh. Sorry, I'm getting you in now. Yeah, guys, please subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing, or you comment, or you've watched more than one
Or
video,
if you want to laugh at me,
or if you want to laugh at Tobes.
in 85 degree, 30 plus C Celsius temperature with 98% humidity with little to no breeze, then subscribe.
Subscribe
I don't know if I'm gonna make it, to be honest. I'm not even look at me.
to the end of the
Is that what I look like?
I'm looking at myself and I'm just sweating
Look at the
loads.
state of me, look.
No, you look lovely, darling.
no,
But yeah,
God.
please subscribe to our channel. We didn't even tell you guys, today is our wedding anniversary. So 2 years ago.
Is it?
Yep.
Today?
Yep.
Yeah, it is.
He knows. He's just being silly. But today, 2 years ago, we got married. So
Yeah, man.
happy anniversary. Love you, darling.
I love you, my love.
Yeah, I went have a wait if we can find big stones.
So gentle. But yeah, we would really love it if you did subscribe.
Son isn't too.
I found a big one.
Yeah.
I found a really big stone, Mum.
Well done. There's Melly chilling in her cardboard box, playing. Yeah. Go, Melody. Ooh. Good girl.
No, Theo gave me these shells.
There's an argument going on about shells, about who's. Come show the people. Yeah. So these two shells have been found, and now they're bickering about whose shells they are. Theo actually found the shells, but Hazel seems to want to own one. There goes a shell. Oh, you found another one. Now there's 3. I wouldn't be picking them up, but you know, you just let them play. As long as they wash their hands, let them play.
I found snail shells. So they got no snail shells in. Oh, thank you.
This is some good sharing going on. Yeah, don't. Oh, thank you. Right, don't touch the lid, even though she's finished it.
No.
No.
Mum, she was drinking and holding it by herself. With a melody.
She's a good girl, isn't she?
Theo, come over back underneath in the shade, mate.
Stay here, Melody. Stay in your box. This is your bit of space to play.
Box. Mummy.
I think we'll get a tarpaulin to go on the floor so that Melody can sit on it and all of us guys can sit on it, and they've got some space to actually maneuver around and not get too dirty and nasty and, you know, filthy. So that's our next step to our camp setup, finding a cheap piece of tarpaulin plastic to put on the floor. So Melly can crawl around and we can, you know, have a bit of a cleaner environment to spend the day.
There's a bit more room.
Yeah, there would be if we had a tarpaulin on the floor. We'll get.
No, we can't go out your box.
She keeps trying to get out her box, this one.
She's very wiggly. See?
She sat back down now. Right, shall I go do some stone picking?
Yes.
It's cooled down a bit. There's a little breeze.
Yeah, the sun's gone in.
Does that mean?
It's still, you can't put loads of bags in the back of that.
Mum, these are stones.
We found some big ones. Our pile's slowly growing. Slowly.
I want to find.
And Daddy's pile's growing.
See how, like,
I want to find it.
it's already looking a bit more manageable. I know,
Yeah, it's looking a lot less. I know there's, like you say, there's a lot there, but
Let's find a bigger one.
it's possible.
yes,
I feel now.
it's not a big.
It's not an undoable task.
Well done. Yeah, well done, darling.
You just need to get here at 6 in the morning. Is she not going to be really hot?
Probably. Just getting a few different like angles.
Yeah, exactly. You do what you got to do. Have you looked to check to see if it's like...
It's on there.
Go on then. Point it down a little bit more. Just to check. It might not be right. Yeah, go on. That's better.
Alright. Thank you, Mel.
I'd rake up this again. Just like the, do you know what I mean? Like the, yeah, and then eventually like all the bits will go and just like keep it clean if you're going to do it.
But we're going to be standing on it and stuff as well.
I know, but it just does help, trust me. You have to knock out, shake out the end of the rake as well, like every, no, just shake it. Yeah, like that, like bigger, yeah, exactly. Well done.
Toby, he's a Rastafari. There's an engine, Toby, he's brown. And number 7. And he's a brown. He's a brown engine. I didn't know there's a brown engine until I found one called Toby.
Did you not? Yes, sweetie.
Mom, I found wet bottle.
There's a nice rock there. Or a small one.
I say you found a big one.
Ah, thanks, Hayes.
I want to clip it up.
Alright.
A small one.
Oh my god.
Mom, what did you found?
A camera.
Why did you found a camera? Mom, why did you found a camera?
Is that on? Is that alright? Is it the right way?
I pull. I hang up the waves. I'm
Watch
shopping.
out when you're swinging it back because you can do a lot of damage swinging it back. Hazel, come completely away from mummy because you're literally standing in the zone where you're going to get at the most.
I weren't going to lift it high or anything. Just, again, just...
I hope people don't think that's me.
Yep, with a brown arm, definitely.
With the brown arm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look, that's brown, isn't it?
Oh, rich.
Is that brown? Come in the shade.
Brown.
It's lovely soil, isn't it? It's like fertile and nice, that is. The consistency. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's ready brown. Absolutely beautiful soil if you know anything about soil. This is about, yeah, look at it. Absolutely beautiful. Organic soil.
I know about everything.
Do you, Hayes?
I've learned that.
And look, I got wool.
I'll take you out in a minute, Mel.
Mummy's getting a look dark.
It is getting a bit darker, isn't it?
Is it starting to rain?
It will do soon. You know now, don't you, Hayes?
No.
Here.
No. 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 No.
What is the matter now, Mel? Yeah. Just moving it out of the way.
So you can get parked.
Yeah.
Can you get parked now? Back. Now you can with me. Now you can with me.
Oh, Melly. I can't. Here you go.
It's literally gonna be. We're gonna have days.
You know that.
Mum, look, there's a fruit letter
Ooh.
there.
Can you see a little sweat droplet dripping
Mary
off?
goes on you.
Can you see a little sweat droplet dripping off my nose?
Mary goes in your bouncer, then I sit in there.
No, this is Melody's box where she can actually sit and not be stuck on mummy or daddy. Can you not crush down the walls, Theo, on Melly's box?
Mum, I'll start sitting.
Don't mind if you bring the chair close if you want to sit next to her, but don't crush down the walls on her box.
I won't. What do you like?
Whew. Pile's getting bigger, guys. Pile's getting bigger. Don't go in the box.
I keep bumping you. This way, you.
And just like normal now, it seems, Jamaican weather, it's raining in the afternoon. Sun's still out though.
Probably blow over them, won't it?
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, it started to rain. It's not heavy or anything at the moment. It's just started to rain lightly. Look at the clouds. Yeah, they're looking dark, aren't they, guys? Looking dark there, so we're just going to sit here. Toby's going to catch a break for a minute, cool off, and we'll see if the rain stops. Yeah.
Called a shower.
So it's an afternoon shower, isn't it?
Yeah.
The rain sounds nice though.
But it's patting on us. It's patting on the tent. Dad, you're also in the plant.
Melly, you're right.
Peter Pan.
Stay here, Melly. Stay in
T,
your
can
box.
you come over here?
Maybe she had a nut in the box.
No, you would say that, wouldn't you?
No, she's have a nut in the box.
Well, has she? So should I take her out the box?
Yeah.
Okay, and if I take her out the box, what's going to happen next?
Now I can come in.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good
Okay.
idea.
I see. So should I take her out the box then? Okay. Hold on. Melly, stay in the box for one more minute. What's that, T? I think there's only enough space for one in this little box. Hold on, Hayes. Hold on before I drop over. Oh dear.
Have you had a look at my feet?
What about them?
Get 'em
Oh,
on
just
camera.
how dirty they are.
Yeah, go on, put them on.
So Toby's got Crocs on. Not Crocs, just some
Got some
sandals.
Nike sliders.
Oh yeah, some Nike
Genuine
sliders.
article.
Genuine.
Go close.
Look at the state of his feet.
I've been doing it in just my sandals. Is that it? Come on,
Yeah,
get
people
closer.
don't want to see feet for too long, do they?
Oh,
Nah. Obviously, we used to work in foot care, so, you know, feet are whatever for us, but I know a lot of people don't like feet. So, yeah, we won't show them for too long.
that's true.
Ah, I think the rain's stopping. It stopped. Here you go, Mel.
Is that it?
That's it for now.
Look, there's
As I say, it looks like there's probably more to come.
Look, there's a lizard there.
Where?
There.
There.
On the tree.
Yeah.
Well, I
Where?
can't see it.
There, on that tree.
Halfway up.
Yeah, it's halfway up.
Oh,
Do
okay.
you hate lizards?
Yeah, Mummy's not keen, is she?
Why are you so happy about that, T?
Mum, do you hate lizards?
Mummy's not keen on them. The lizards are everywhere, aren't they, in Jamaica? They're everywhere.
Yes.
Ugh.
Why did I say blue?
Yeah, Mummy's not keen on them at all.
What did I say?
Okay, just can you mind the camera and the table with all the stuff? Right, the rain has stopped. The sunshine is back out.
The sunshine's peeking.
Oh, hazy. What was that?
The sunshine's peeking.
Oh, nice words. The sunshine's peeking, just as Hazy said. Yeah, it's brightening up again. Woo. How you feeling, Daddy-O? You alright?
Yeah, honestly.
You okay?
I feel fine. My back of my head just feels hot.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Mm.
But like I have my hat on and I've
Yeah.
doused myself in water. I'm not worried or anything. I'm just saying I just feel like a hot head, you know what I'm saying? I've only been doing it, what, 2 hours? So, and I've been in the shade and I in the shade.
Not really. You've been in and out, more out than in. But yeah.
It's been like this most. It's been like this half the time anyway. Overcast. You're sweating, aren't you, Mel?
Yeah.
Got beads dripping down by your eye. See 'em?
Oh yeah. Oh, Melly.
Is that alright? You just want to go as well?
I'm gonna get back to that Hazy. Well done.
Take a lot of bowls of thing, isn't it? What? The seat did. See, look, it's going out.
Yeah, it's getting less and less and less. What hurt you, Thee? A stick. Well done, Hayes. Well done, darling. Well done, darling. Just make sure you're alright, darling.
What we do? What is our second? Find the house. What is our second?
It's right there.
Why have we got that?
Well, we just got the fire going. Or less of we, more of Toby. And it's just started to rain.
We need more fire.
It's not the end of the world, guys.
Quick.
If it rains, it rains. Melody likes the rain. Don't you, Mel?
I like the rain too.
You do?
Rain likes Mum. Rain and my rain makes muddy puddles.
It does. Thank you, Peppa. You right, T?
Peppa, Mum.
Silly me.
I have it.
Melody. No, I don't think we do. I'll look. Oh, well done.
Cardboard.
Leave it. Because there are things in there.
That's quick. It's dying. I better do this. I'm ready to fire hole.
Don't throw stones, remember, darling.
That doesn't work. Oh, that one. Theo. That doesn't work.
Theo, stop. Because if Daddy walks up here and one hits him, he'll be hurt. Stop.
What about that one?
Ow.
I'm a bit close down here. Guys, come here.
Over this side.
Stand in the shade here. Oh, there's a bit of pipe there.
Over this side.
Up and down we go. We're running.
There you go, come over here.
Whoa!
Stay back, come a bit closer to home.
Yeah, you stay here, guys. Guys, come back a bit. That's it. Mummy's going to go closer. You stay there, though. Oh. Hot, isn't
Hopefully
it?
it don't get too big. Quickly. Hot. That's it.
What about this?
No, not near the fire, man.
Why? But I've got this stick. Let's throw it in.
What do you think of the fire?
Good.
Oh, give me more than that. Well, what does the fire look like?
Yeah, orange.
Orange.
What does the fire look like, hey?
Orange.
And how tall is it?
Right. This tall.
Mm-hmm.
This tall. Like me.
And what sounds can
Like
you hear
me.
from the fire? What sounds?
I
Hold
can
on to that.
sound.
Huh?
I can. I can finish my fire.
So very exciting. This is the first lot of bush
Hold that.
burning, and hopefully gets us a step closer to an empty space, an empty piece of land.
do it.
But look, there it goes.
Yes. Throw that in to make a taller one.
Here you go.
Obviously, it's the first time doing this, so we're hoping that it doesn't
Go mad.
get too big and get uncontrollable and yeah, get out of hand. Fingers crossed it stays, you know, relatively small, but burns a fair amount. We just got to watch it and yeah, see how it's behaving.
It's gonna go out. It's just gonna smoulder and go out. Like, you need that diesel, man. It's been raining loads, so it's like wet, but at the end of the day,
Can't hear you.
whatever we can.
Yeah, you can see it's already like smouldering down a bit. How's the other side?
Basically gone out.
Okay. tell you what, the heat of it is something else.
I'm talking to them ones.
So
You're talking to them ones. Can I have a
You have
chicken neck pizza, please?
we don't have one of those ones.
Oh, Daddy made a chicken neck pizza.
Oh,
Do you remember?
yeah.
You
When
really...
was it?
It was probably about a month ago. You really enjoyed it. What's up, Tobes? Okay, follow Daddy. Let's get away from the fire now.
to be honest, I thought we'd have that whole one section off.
Although we're not near it.
I thought we'd have that whole section
Like a
off.
third of it would burn through.
Or a quarter.
Yeah.
Like, and then after that I was probably just going to light the whole thing, but I'm just going to, next time I'm just going to put it all in that middle section
Yeah.
and just watch it go, man.
Yeah.
And hopefully it'll die down before it gets to the other ones, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But we need to get it done before the dry period, but who knows, we might keep carrying on going. That side's looking a little bit more promising.
Yeah, this side pretty much smouldered down and yeah, going out. But this side, section number 2, still going. For now, still going. Something relaxing about watching a fire, isn't there?
Yeah, there is, yeah. Your brain goes, yeah,
It's lovely.
this is where you need to be.
Looks nice, the colours, feels warm and it's
Water and
comforting,
fire.
and the sound of it's lovely. Even the smell of it's really nice as well.
Guys, no. What are you doing with that stone?
Just moving back a bit because obviously
Theo,
you've got
put the
baby
stone
Melly.
down. Put a stone down. Put the stone down.
So yeah, Tobes was just saying that we started from one end, hoping it will like catch a light and maybe move along a little bit, but it hasn't. It's kind of stopped. So we're gonna try it again probably tomorrow. And
So we've
we're gonna
had so much rain, like literally torrential rain, so it's all wet basically. So I mean, it's not the end of the world. It just means it's a bit more controlled. It's going to take longer. We've got like probably about, realistically, we've probably got like a month or something till we need it gone. We don't even need it gone, to be honest, because the first stage of the house is going to be built just in front of it. But I don't really want to like burn it once I've like got the walls and that up. It won't matter, it's concrete, but you know what I'm saying. It's not ideal because plus there's going to be trenches that I need to dig, go into the septic tank and soak away, etc. So, you know.
But yeah, next time you said you're going to start in the middle and burn it, and
go in the middle, yeah.
hopefully it might spread a bit either way, either side, but still be manageable. There you go, still going. That's section number 2, still going.
Hopefully it picks up, man. Hopefully it picks up.
But not too much. Yeah.
Alright, we've got other things to do. Like an house.
Leave her, Theo, leave her.
Metal. He did another one.
Daddy's done another find.
Metal. Little Mario. Little Mario. Little Mario. Fire. 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 Nè. Emergency. Mom. Is it? There's a fire, Mom. We need to call open bush. Man versus bush.
We don't even need it gone, to be honest, because the where the first stage of the house is going to be built just in front of it. But I don't really want to like burn it once I've like got the walls and that up. It won't matter, it's concrete, but you know what I'm saying. It's not ideal because plus there's going to be trenches that I need to dig going to the septic tank and soak away, etc. So, you know.
Yeah, next time you said you're going to start in the middle and burn it, and
go in the middle, yeah.
Hopefully it might spread a bit either way, either side, but still be manageable. There you go, still going. That's section number 2, still going.
Hopefully it picks up, man. Hopefully it picks up.
But not too much. Yeah.